नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। This is JVM Dr. Vishal Saxena, Associate Professor in Mathematics. Today I am going to discuss about a module, Venn diagram and algebra of sets. This module is a part of the course Elementary Mathematics. So first we see what is the meaning of Venn diagram. A Venn diagram is a pictorial representation of the relationships between the sets. We can represent the set or the set using Venn diagrams. In a Venn diagram, the sets are represented by the shapes like circles or the ovals. The elements of a set are labeled within the circle. Now next we discuss about the algebra of sets. Sets under consideration. Sets under the operations of union, intersection and complement satisfy various laws or the identities which are first is the idempotent laws. In idempotent laws, A union A is equal to A, where A represents a set and A intersection A again is equal to a set A. So these two are called the idempotent laws, where union of two sets is the same set and the intersection of two sets is the same set. Second is the associative law. In associative law, first is A union B union C is equal to A union B union C. We can see in the left hand side the bracket is on the first two sets, while in the right hand side the bracket is on the second two sets. And the another associative law is A intersection B intersection C is equal to A intersection B intersection C. And again on the left hand side the bracket is on the first two sets, while on the right hand side the bracket is on the next two sets. Third is commutative law. In commutative law, first is A union B is equal to B union A, and second is A intersection B is equal to B intersection A. Means we have interchanged the positions of the two sets. Next law is distributive law. In distributive law, A union bracket B intersection C bracket and this is equal to bracket A union B intersection of bracket A union C. So this is called the distributive law, and one more distributive law is also there. A intersection bracket B union C is equal to in bracket A intersection B and union with again a bracket consisting of A intersection C. And next law is the De Morgan's law, which is very important. In De Morgan's law, A union B in a bracket and taken its complement. So complement of A union B is equal to A complement B complement. Second is A intersection B and taken its complement. So complement of A intersection B is equal to A complement union B complement. Next is identity laws. In identity laws we can see there set A union phi is equal to set A. Second is A union universal set U is equal to U. Third is A intersection universal set U is equal to A. Next is A intersection phi is equal to set phi which is the null set. Next is the complement laws. In complement laws we can see there A union A complement is equal to universal set U. A intersection set A with complement is equal to phi, and next is complement of universal set is equal to phi, and complement of psi means the null set is equal to universal set U. And the next law is called the involution law. In the involution law, complement of A is a set A. So in the involution law, the complement of A is equal to set A. So these are this is the algebra of the set theory. This session is covered by Digital Version 2, Jayasur Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. I hope all you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in the comment box. I will resolve your doubts and problems. With this, I conclude my today's session. Thank you.